In today's episode, I'm doing something I haven't done before, a car haul. So if you're interested in seeing what all I picked up today, you know what to do. Stick around. Today's episode is sponsored by Michelin. Now, this is an Amazon-based company, and they sent me this transferable desk light lamp. Now, I really like this because it's the LED light, and it comes packaged very well. It comes with a power cord and an instructional manual and a card that gives you a little bit more details on the company. Now, the light is a lot of light. So it is an adjustable arm LED desk light. Now I'm going to share with you how big this light is, and then I'm going to take it up to my office and let you see how I install it on my desk. Now on the end, as I'm showing you here, has a screw-in clamp that clamps to your desk to where you can place it anywhere you're working at. It's very convenient, and I like that it's easy to install. Now that it's attached, it looks really good up here, and it's giving me more light over my monitors. So a lot of things will be a lot easier when I'm recording now because I have this light here. Now this light has different settings. Look at that one. I can bring it down and fix it where it's a little bit closer on top of the monitors. So let me go ahead and move that now. The end arms are flexible, so you can have them up or down like shown in the picture above. Now as you see, it has a really bright light, and I really like that aspect of it. It has different settings. So now when I do a live, I have another light that gives me the brightness that I need. So I'm going to leave the link down below. I'm going to include the discount code and any information that I have for them down below. So if you're interested, check them out. The link is listed. Hi everybody. I have never done a car haul, and I just popped up to the Dollar Tree to look around and found some things that I didn't know they had. Well, because I hadn't been in there a while, maybe. So I'm going to share with you some of the things I picked up today at the Dollar Tree. Now, you know we're all getting ready for fall, right? So I know I'm late. I should have went up there earlier, but I got me two more of these little long stems here. They're the silver dollars. So I got two of those. That's all they had left in the store. Yeah, I know. I wanted to get a good handful. Yeah, I know I should have went up earlier, but I didn't. But here I picked up 6 of these maple leaves in this kind of a burnt burgundy or wine color. I picked up 6 of those. Like I needed more greenery, right? Yeah. If you know what I know, you know I didn't need any more. I said I wasn't going to do too much of buying new things this year for fall. I was going to use pretty much what I already had. Now, I picked up 2 boxes of the gallon storage bags. And then I picked up 2 of the quartz bags. Yeah, picked up the 2 of the quartz. That's because I was running low, and I just like to keep it stocked in the kitchen. And I didn't want to go all the way to a big store. I wasn't feeling it today. Well, I picked up this kind of gold big pumpkin. I have an idea what I'm going to use this for this year, and I saw it and I thought I'd grab it while I saw it, because it was only one gold one, and they had the oranges and they had a teal and gray, the other colors, but I wanted the gold one. Okay. And then you know I'm a copper girl, right? So I have a on my desk, I have the pen holder and pencil holder. Well, I saw this one, but I'm like, I wanted some inside to it. So you know they have this one, but now they have these square iridescent ones, so it fits right in here. And even with the round one that they have like this in copper, the iridescent one fits right inside, all cozy. So instead of me looking for the one I saw on Amazon, I got this one for $2.50 instead of paying what it was on Amazon to get the one with the same setup. Okay, budget friendly. All right, this is something I hadn't seen, and even online I didn't see it online for the Dollar Tree, because I always look on the line to see what's new online before I go to the store in case there's something I really want to get. They have these glitter black chargers. I thought, oh man, these are gorgeous. You know, New Year's coming up. I thought, man, I could really use these, even though I have some black ones, but these black glitter ones are gorgeous. So I got me 6 of those. And I picked up, my husband's like Snapple. And I saw the, sorry about dropping everything. I saw the Snapple. So I got 2 fruit punch. I got 2 strawberry kiwi and 2 of the peach tea. Of those. So I got my Snapple drink on. And then let's see, what else did I pick up? I got this. Oh, and I know everybody's seen these. I've seen them, and I have been going back and forth with myself about picking up these sets. But I got these gray ones. I got 6 saucers and 6 plates of these, because I thought I'm going to use these in an upcoming Tablescape. I want to do something a little different. I always don't want to do the same or the norm. I always want to change it up a little bit. And they also had a huge, in the $5 spot in there, they had this huge scarecrow that you could stick in the yard. Well, I picked up one of those. It's too big to show you here. I'm going to try to put a picture of it up on the screen. Well, maybe, hold on. Let me get you guys and turn you around. There he is. Excuse my junkie. There he is. Right there. Yeah, it's junky over there. I'm sorry. That area, I need to jump on it again and get it organized. During the hurricane, a lot of stuff got crammed in here and moved, and it's a mess. I haven't put the garage back together since the hurricane effect. But anyway, I hadn't been on in a while, and I hadn't been on in a while because we had several deaths in the family, and they were bringing your girl down. I just couldn't deal with another death, and it just took me a bit. You know, my mom passed in September of last year on the 27th. Then her brother passed the beginning of, March. And then my cousin passed 2 days later, and one funeral was that Friday, one was that Saturday, and that really took me out. And then to turn around and my dad's baby sister passed, and so we had her funeral. It's been a month now since we had her service. And then one of her daughters got married a weekend ago, maybe 2 weeks ago now. They got married. Beautiful wedding, beautiful wedding. We went there for that because we wanted to try to have a little fun, because we just been in this state of darkness here for a while. And I hadn't been on because of that. And also too, on my other channel, I haven't done anything on those because I don't know what I did. I think I tore a ligament in my knee. and I go to the doctor on Monday so they can see if that's what it is. I've been trying to think it was a pulled muscle or something, and I was trying to keep going without it, but the pain is just more than I want to deal with anymore. So, and then on top of that, I'm still dealing with my husband and his kidney failure, and then my dad now has prostate cancer, so he goes to radiation 5 days a week for 9 weeks, and I take him. So it's a lot on my plate right now. So I'm going to try to get a video in here and there when I can, because my schedule has really doubled. But I will keep you guys updated. I will be throwing some content in for fall. I have my fall fireplace collaboration coming up here soon. The announcement will be out in a week, I believe. On the 5th, I'll have an announcement out about my fall fireplace collaboration. And I will be participating or co-hosting in a YouTube sister of mine. She asked me to be in a collaboration with her for her fall decor. So I'm excited about that. So I just wanted to keep you guys up to date and share with you some things I picked up today before I take them all in the house and put them away. You know how we do. We leave what we got that goes, like me, I leave what's decor, majority of here in the garage, in my bins, and then the other stuff I take in the house. But I just wanted to share that with this quick haul with you guys today and pop in and say hello to everyone. It's been a minute. I do have a video I need to edit, clean up after the storm, and you're gonna like it because I do too. So I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.